Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every day. Eddie, this is the first one back, and it's just like riding a bike doing that intro. I'll tell you what.
I'm impressed. You fell right back in.
It feels natural.
Yeah.
I've just only done it like a couple thousand times now. But today I wanted to bring something to you. Just got done reading a book by Dan Martell. I actually had a really cool little bit in there called the 1-3-1 rule.
What was the book?
The book is called Buy Back Your Time.
Nice.
Okay, so when we're talking about leadership, and you and I both being in leader capacities, we have felt this before, where you have somebody that comes to you and says, hey, boss man, I got this problem, or I've got this going on, or they'll bring a problem to you. Heck, I'm guilty of this. You know, whenever I first started detailing, I came over to you and I was like, hey, Eddie, I got a problem. Hey, Eddie, I got a problem. Or hey, Dad, I got a problem. And I wouldn't really give any sort of definition on it or anything like that. I just expected you to solve it for me.
Yep.
But if you want to stand out to your leader, here's something that you can do. And also leaders, I feel like you should take account of this and maybe even ask that your people do this. This is actually something I'm going to be starting to ask my people to do for me because it helps me. So the 1-3-1 rule, let's define it. So first one, define the one problem that needs to be solved. 3, offer 3 viable solutions. 1, make 1 suggestion from that list of possible solutions. All right. So I come to you, and instead of saying, hey, dude, I got a problem, I say, hey, dude, we have a problem. Here's some options for you. So here are 3 solutions to this problem as I see it, where I sit. And here's my suggestion. What do you think? Right? That makes your job as a leader so much quicker because you can just say, I like this one. Or, hey, I don't like any of those solutions. We can dig in a little bit more. But most of the time, like you as a leader, you're going to be like, yeah, I trust your decision on this. Yeah, I like this option. Go do that. That just took that whole interaction from like a 15-minute walk around, let's figure this out, walk me through the whole issue, this, that, and the other. It squashes it down and allows me to say, hey, I trust you, go do this thing for me, right? So there, 2 implications in this. If you're a leader, maybe start asking your people to, remember this little thing called the 1-3-1 rule. And then if you are somebody who is being led, you're still new in your career and you want to stand out, I'll tell you what, if you come to your leader and you do this, you adopt this kind of mindset, you're going to stand out. So I don't know. What do you think of this? Because this was, I felt like this was pretty solid advice.
I mean, from a leadership standpoint, I can really appreciate the sentiment behind it. Mm-hmm. I've heard this framed up as though like somebody walks into your office and like puts an elephant on your desk. Yeah, they've come in and they drop an elephant right in the middle of your desk because it's like it's covering everything up and like this is the thing and I've got to cover it.
Yep.
So I like that it makes you pause. Like I like that it makes you think through the problem a little more. It gives you a framework for thinking through the problem.
Yeah.
And that you are coming up with your best solution that you're going to put on the table.
Yeah.
The thing that will add to it is if you get to that last one, it's obvious, do the thing. Yeah. So like ask yourself the question, all right, at the end of this, why did I need that opinion? Mm-hmm. And if you really need it, then go and ask. Yeah. Maybe you just need approval. Maybe you just need somebody to just say, yeah, I agree.
Yeah, for sure.
I like it.
Well, cool. All right. There's your insight for the week. Hopefully that helps you guys out. It saves you a little bit of time because Lord knows, if you're a leader, you get elephants thrown on your desk every 5 minutes in bigger organizations. And it's a lot, especially on projects like job sites. There's always something going wrong. So breathe this into your people. And if you are one of those people, take that to your leader. It can help them out. So there you have it, guys. Go build something awesome.